the comparing and scaling question 2 test for the test. For question A, you're going to want to set up a proportion. So you want to decide what unit is going to go where. So which one unit do you want on the top, the pretzels or the ounces? Well, they already give you your first rate. So we can set up a proportion. Let's choose ounces on top and pretzels on the bottom. And we're going to set that equal to another ratio. Now, if our pretzels are on the bottom and our ounces are on the top, that should be the same way for the ratio on the left. Our ounces should be on the top, and our pretzels should be on the bottom. And after we plug in the correct numbers based on what the question is asking us, we can definitely be able to solve the proportion by using what we normally do to solve a proportion: multiply the partners and divide by the loaner. Now, what is the number of chocolate-covered pretzels per ounce? Per ounce, so per 1 ounce. So we're going to find the unit rate. Now we can do the same thing. We got to set up a proportion. So we can use the same rate, so ounces over pretzels. And then when we set up the ratio on the other side, we have to determine where that 1 ounce is going to go. It's going to go on the same side as the ratio on the left of the proportion. And our pretzels are going to go on the same side as our ratio on the left. So after you plug in the correct numbers and variables, you can again solve in the same way as you did for A. Question C is a very similar answer. You can set it up the exact same way, but now they're not asking for how many pretzels can be served for 1 ounce. Now they're asking how many ounces does 1 pretzel weigh. So you're going to use a similar strategy, but you're going to need to decide where that 1 is going to go and where that variable is going to go for you to solve. In order to figure that out, you just look at what you use on the left-hand side. And on the left-hand side, we have ounces on the top and pretzels on the bottom. And then through multiplying by the partner and dividing by the loaner, you can find that answer for that unit rate. And remember, for these questions, make sure to label your answer. Don't just give a number. We want to make sure that you know what you found.